everyone, this is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Flipkart Job Recruitment 2023 hiring freshers. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce business company headquartered in Bengaluru. Flipkart has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having any bachelor's degree from the batches of 2021 to 2023 can apply for this post. The job location will be Bangalore, India, and the candidates can expect up to 7.87 lakh per annum. Candidates need to perform all the revenue assured activities at a defined timeline, identify key gaps, operational and technological, and report to their concerned team. Ensure documentation of work papers and creation of SOPs. Support in automating the controls through Python. Support the business in validating any transaction of the existing product. Prepare control dashboards and reporting. Is responsible for working with cross-functional teams. Understand various stream and cost revenues. Identify any fraud patterns in the revenue teams. So I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.